Good morning, my dear children. We will already discuss first lesson. What is the first lesson? First of all, open your textbook, page number 6. Already discussed in first class. What is the discuss in first class? The lesson, first lesson, unit 1. I and my home. My home. I and my home. I and my home lesson discussed in previous class. So this lesson not completed. Some are completed in previous class. So this lesson 5 characters name. What are the 5 characters names? Tell me. One child name Sohan, second child name Ashif, third child name Raj, fourth child Karuna, and fifth child Aruna, Rekha and Aruna. So these 5 children there in this story. 5 children there in this story. They went to whose house, Amma? Whose house? Sohan house. They went to Sohan house. Yes, Sohan house, and they discussed about the Sohan house. They are seeing some things in your Sohan house. What are the scene? First of all, they seen. First, they went to the living room. The living room is a very bright and airy, yes, and big. The living room is a very big and bright sunlight, filled with the bright sunlight. The living room. Next, they seen the one fish bowl. The fish bowl is a blue and blue. The fish bowl color blue color. The fish bowl blue color, and the scene wall on the watch clock is discussed about. Next, see the next para. See this para. The children, this para. See this para, all of you. The children gather around the fish bowl in excitement. The children gathered suppose this is the fish bowl.
Girl like
the children gathered this fish bowl, gathered around this fish bowl excitement. There were different kinds of small fishes of bright colors and various shapes. They swam in the fish bowl. Children smiled and looked at them with their eyes wide open. Here, see, the children gathered around this fish bowl. The children gathered around this fish bowl. See, excitement. Excitement means vintaga. ఫిష్ బాల్ ఎలా చూస్తున్నారట? ద చిల్డ్రన్ వింతగా చూస్తున్నారట. ఎగ్జైట్మెంట్, వింతగా చూస్తున్నారు. They were in different kinds of fishes in this bowl. This fish bowl, different kinds of fishes. These fishes swam in this bowl. The fishes swam in this bowl. Swam means swim చేస్తున్నాయట. ఈ ఫిషెస్ అని ఇందులో ఏం చేస్తున్నాయట, ఫిష్ బౌల్లో ఫిష్ చేస్తున్నాయట, ఫిష్ బౌల్లో స్విమ్ చేస్తున్నాయట. ఫిషెస్ అన్ని ఈ బౌల్లో స్విమ్ చేస్తున్నాయట. దిస్ ఫిషెస్ ఈస్ డిఫరెంట్ కైండ్స్ అండ్ డిఫరెంట్ కలర్స్, వేరియస్ కలర్స్. In this bowl fishes different kinds and various kinds of fishes there in this bowl. They swam in this bowl. These fishes swam in this bowl. Children smiled and looked at with their eyes with opened. The children looked to them with their eyes wide open. Wide open means ఇట్లా కొంచెం పెద్దగా చేసి ఇలా చూసినట్టు. చిల్డ్రన్ ఇలా చూస్తున్నట్టు. చిల్డ్రన్ వైడ్ ఓపెన్ అంటే పెద్దగా చేసి ఈ ఫిష్ బౌల్ ఫిషెస్ ని ఒక వింతగా ఎగ్జైట్మెంట్ గా చూస్తున్నట్టు, వాళ్ళకి హ్యాపీగా అనిపిస్తుంది వీళ్ళు చూస్తే. ఎస్, నెక్స్ట్ పారా. లుక్, క్రైడ్ as if there is a goldfish in the bowl. It is opening and shutting its mouth again and again like this. As it began to open and shut this mouth like the goldfish, everyone started laughing. What happened, Amma? The as if look at this bowl, excitement, and see the one goldfish in this bowl. As if see in this bowl one goldfish. So the goldfish is open mouth, shutting mouth. The goldfish shutting its mouth again and again like this, like ఇలా ఓపెన్ చేసుకుంటూ ఆ గోల్డ్ ఫిష్ ఇట్లా స్విమ్ చేస్తున్నారు ఈ బౌల్లో ఇట్లా again and again. And Ashif also same. Ashif began open and shutting mouth like goldfish. Ashif shutting his mouth like the goldfish. Shutting his mouth like the goldfish. ఎలా చేస్తుందో like Ashif also same like goldfish. అలా చేసి ఇలా గోల్డ్ ఫిష్ ఓపెన్ షట్టింగ్ మౌత్ ఓపెన్ చేసుకుని క్లోజ్ చేస్తుంది, ఇలా క్లోజ్ చేసుకుని ఓపెన్ చేస్తూ ఉంటే అతను కూడా సేమ్ ఆస్టిస్ లైక్ ద గోల్డ్ ఫిష్. ద ఆఫ్టర్ చిల్డ్రన్ స్టార్టెడ్ లాఫింగ్. వై ద ఆసిఫ్ ఈస్ లైక్ గోల్డ్ ఫిష్ ఓపెన్ దిస్ లైక్ మౌత్ ఓపెన్ అలా చేస్తే ఆఫ్టర్ చిల్డ్రన్ ఈస్ లాఫింగ్ లౌడ్లీ. ఎస్, నెక్స్ట్ పారా. సి, పుట్ యువర్ ఫింగర్ ఆల్ ఆఫ్ యూ. Soon the children were busy looking at the other things in the room. There were bright color cushions on the dull brown sofa. The curtains were light pink with the flowers painted all over. See, see this para. The children see in the sofa. The sofa is a light pink color. Sofa is a light dull brown, light brown color. Sofa cushions were light pink with flowers painted all over. See this para, all of you. Soon the children were busy looking at the other things in the room. The children looking at the other things in this room, living room. In the room there were bright color costumes on dull brown sofas. They see in this room bright colored sofas and the cut. They sat on dull brown sofas. And the scene curtain. This is the curtain. This color is pink, light pink. The curtain is light pink. Color is light pink. The curtain is light pink. This curtain pillared flowers. The curtain pillared pink. The pink light pink curtain pillared flowers all over the curtain. All over the curtain. The flowers pillared the pink curtain all over. Yes. And next see. Next para, this is a beautiful painting, said Rekha. This curtain is very beautiful painting, said Rekha. Who said Amma? Rekha. Rekha చెప్తుంది ఏమని చెప్తుంది? This curtain, this pink, light pink curtain, this light pink curtain, light pink curtain, beautiful painting, said Rekha. She stood in front of a big canvas on the wall. She stood in front of a big canvas on the wall. Aruna looked at the piano and said, Sohan, who played this piano? I like it. They see other thing. What is that? One canvas. Canvas means Canvas means heavy cloth of cotton. Heavy cloth of cotton on which a painting is made. Which a painting is. What is the meaning? Canvas. Heavy cloth of cotton. Heavy cloth of మందమైన ఒక రకమైన నాణతో తయారు చేసిన క్లాత్ దానిపైన దాన్ని పిక్చర్ చేసి దాన్ని క్యాన్వాస్ అంటారు. నెక్స్ట్ వన్ సి పియానో. బినో పియానో ప్లేయింగ్ musicians, sorry, playing in suppose songs kosamu then play చేస్తారు piano. So there is a piano here, see, piano. So this is piano and said Sohan, who's played this piano? Who's asking Amma? Aruna asking Sohan, who's played this piano? I like it. ఆమెకు ఈ పియానో చాలా ఇష్టమట. She asked to Sohan, who's played this piano? అని అడుగుతుంది. Sohan replies to turn the next page. See, my mother. Sohan replied the answer, my mother. Replied Sohan. Now let's go to dining room. He added as the children walked towards the dining table. They felt hungry. They saw the tasty like sandwich, cakes, biscuits, chips. These all are filled the dining table. On the dining table, there was yummy strawberry shake as well. They enjoyed as they ate the munchud. They laughed, talked, and jumped a while doing so. Here see what is the meaning this para. The Sohan replied the answer asking Rekha, Aruna, whose plays this piano? So Sohan said, my mother plays this piano. Sohan said, and they went to dining room. The dining room filled with what are filled with on the dining table? Chips, sandwich, cakes, biscuits, like etc. filled on the dining table. So they eat and then one is the strawberry also, and they enjoyed, they enjoyed, they enjoyed, ate and munched. Munched means some, munched means sound made while eating. Munched means sound మేడ్ వైల్ ఈటింగ్. మనం తినేటప్పుడు సౌండ్ చేసుకుని తింటాం, అలా సౌండ్ మేడ్ వైల్ ఈటింగ్. దే లాఫ్డ్, టాక్డ్, జంప్డ్ వైల్ డూయింగ్ సో. సో దే లాఫ్డ్, జంప్డ్, టాక్డ్, డూయింగ్ సో. నెక్స్ట్ పారా. సూన్ దే స్టార్టెడ్ ప్లేయింగ్ వర్డ్ గేమ్. Soon they started playing word game when the clock struck 5. The clock struck 5. They jumped up. It was time to go home. It was time to go home. They decided to meet at another friend. They decided to meet at another friend place at next week. They thanked Sohan for the wonderful time they had. So here, soon they started playing word game. So they started word game. The clock struck on 5. The clock struck on 5. So this time is go home. This time is go home. They decided, Sohan friends decided to meet at another friend house. Meet at another friend house in next week. Meet at another friend house next week లో వాళ్ళు డిసైడ్ అంటే ఏమని డిసైడ్ అంట, ఇంకో ఫ్రెండ్ హౌస్ దగ్గరికి, మన హౌస్ వాళ్ళ దగ్గరికి వెళ్ళి మీట్ అవుదామని డిసైడ్ అయిందట. డిసైడ్ అయింది. సోహన్ వాజ్ ద వండర్ఫుల్ టైమ్ దే హ్యాడ్. సోహన్ ఫర్ ద వండర్ఫుల్ టైమ్ దే హ్యాడ్. సో సోహన్ వండర్ఫుల్ టైం దే హ్యాడ్. మేము చాలా టైంని కలిగి ఉన్నాం, ఇంట్లో ఎంజాయ్ చేసినాం, హ్యాపీగా ఇంట్లో ఎంజాయ్ చేసినాము, మాకు చాలా హ్యాపీ అని వాళ్ళు చెప్పి నెక్స్ట్ వీక్లో వేరే ఫ్రెండ్ వాళ్ళ ఇంటికి వెళ్తామని వాళ్ళు they are go back to home. Yes, see, this lesson is completed today completed this lesson. I will start next topics. We read this lesson once again carefully. Observe, put your finger on the lines and read. Okay, now next class is now see, read and understand. See this, read and understand. A bit C, tick the correct answers. See, who came to visit Sohan? Option A, friends. Option B, neighbors. Option C, teachers. Option D, alliance. Who am I? See in this first para, the Sohan visited to his home. Whose came Sohan house? Friends are teachers, neighbors. We know answer? Write the answer. We don't know? After I will told, don't write wrong answers. Next one, see. Children were excited to gather around the children excited. Vintaga. Denu chusaru. The children excited gather around. The children excited gather around. Option A, painting. Option B, fishbowl. Option C, kitchen. Option D, garden. The children were excited and gathered around. The children gathered around the what am answer? They gathered around the fishbowl and they see excited in this fishbowl. Why? The fishes is very beautiful and different kinds of colors. Different various colors. One is the gold, white, pink. This like fishes then. So the children excited around this fish bowl. Next one, see. Option B, answer the following questions. Option B, answer the following question. First question, who opened the door when the doorbell rang? Who opened the door when the doorbell rang? Who opened the door? We know write this answer. We don't know after a video. Next, see. In which room did Sohan friends sat? In which room did Sohan's friends sit? Sohan friends sit in which room? Sohan friends sit in which room? We know answer. Write this. We don't know. Don't write. Next, third one. Who was the first one? Who was the first one to see the fish ball? Who was the first one see to the fish ball? Who see the first one see fish ball? Here, see this. Read this pair. Who amma? The Raj. What is that corner on the one over there? He pointed at the blue and white fish ball. Who seen the first fish ball? You know answer? Right. We don't know. Don't write. Next, what was kept beside the fish ball? What was the kept beside the fish ball? This is the fish ball. What was the kept beside the fish ball? Fish ball. What was the kept fish ball? We know answer. Right. We don't know. Don't write. Okay now. I will told in next class these answers. Okay now. Okay. In this lesson, first lesson completed. After next class, start the grammar part topics. We start the grammar part. Okay now. This is very important, useful to this grammar. Okay now. See. Okay, today what is the homework today? Right, we underline this lesson hard words. For suppose doorbell, yes, and friends, character names Sohan, Raj, Anna. This character names also underline. Various, excitement, comfortable, sunlight. This like hard words underline and write each 5 times. This is today homework. Okay, I will meet in next class. Okay, my dear children, complete your homework daily. And again read this total lesson. Once again read this total lesson here to here. Okay. Okay. Bye bye, my dear children. See you next class.